Oh, in here. Oh, look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Now, on the unusual one today, we're going to call it the Plumbers sandwich. I couldn't think of another name for this, and it might not even work. We're going to try it. I had a comment came in. Here you go, it's on the screen and you can read it. It's from Secret Squirrel, and he basically said, can you make a banging cheese toastie using a blowtorch? Well, here we go. Couple of slices of bread. Now, if you think this is crazy, you're right. Now, I don't normally take on these challenges. I like a challenge, but I don't take them on, you know. I get many requests every single week, and most of them I just go, thanks for sharing. Anyway, slice of bread, quite thick, because we'll make a toastie. In here, I've got mayo, and what we're going to do is mayo up this bread. Okay, right to the edges. Like that. So we've done one, we need to do the other. Quite a decent layer of mayo on there, look. We're not shy, are we? Come on. We're making a toastie. Now what we're going to do is mayo to mayo for now. Next idea for me is I'm going to take some Dijon mustard, and we're going to put some Dijon mustard on there. We want some flavour in here with this cheese. Now don't try this at home unless you're nuts. Okay, we got some Dijon mustard on there. Okay, what we're going to do is use some cheddar, because it's a cheese toastie. Now we're going to try and keep it, we're going to put a layer in here, but we're going to try and keep away from the sides, because what I'm hoping, we're going to have to cook this slowly, I think, and it should run out. He says. So we're going to come in there and leave that little layer around the outside. That little rim, like that. Now that's quite a lot of cheese, and with a blowtorch, I ain't guaranteeing that that's going to melt in there, but we're hoping. Okay, we want some cheese pull on there. A little bit of mozzarella. Now if you think this is crazy, you haven't seen anything yet. So we're going to add that. Okay, let's try and get it all in. Might as well clean the bowl. What we need to be doing is, I think, because he says make it a banging sandwich, we're going to have to cheesy up the outside as well. Okay, we don't want it on that board now. We've got a rack here on a tray. Now what we're going to do is take our sandwich on there. So now you've got a mayo side down. Now we've got a mayo side up. So let's just give that a little squidging, help us out here. Like that. So we're going to take some Parmo. Of course we are, come on. Now what we're going to do, I'm going to try and squash this on here, and I think some of it's going to come off, because we're going to try and turn it over and squash them on the other side. Now there's a way of doing this, is just nice and slow on the top of here with a blowtorch. However, I think if we have it under there and the heat's transferred under there, it's going to melt off. So we'll do that. Now, can we flip it like that and put some on the top of here? we might as well have some cheesiness going all the way around, haven't we? So we'll give it a squidge down. There you go. Oh. So, take your weapon of choice, it doesn't matter what it is. Oh my word. Nice and slow. Come on, get it turned round. Is this crazy or what? Okay, that's the start. Now we need to flip this thing. We do some nuts things on this channel. So we want that over, and we do the same on here. I think we need to get this thing turned over. It's starting to get a bit hot actually. So I'm going to get a fork. Let's try and keep it together. Have we got any meltiness going on? Oh, it's starting to melt. But you know, I don't think it's going to melt properly. I don't think it's going to run out. Now the idea is you've got to heat this up without overheating it, because you ain't going to get that cheese to warm up inside. And we want some heat going in there. So to be quite fair, it's a waste of gas, because you've got to be a distance away from it to heat the bread up. Oh, we're getting a melt on there, look. Oh, you're going to have to see this. We got a bit of a melt coming on. Now what I'm doing is actually I'm heating the tray as well at the moment. Trying to keep that heat coming on nice and slow. Oh, it's melting. It's melting. Oh, the tray's getting hot. Oh, you beauty. Oh, it's starting to run. Oh, this is exciting. I think we're going to cheat a little bit here. We want to get some heat inside, don't we? Want that. Oh, look, it's melted everywhere. Oh, yes, and please. This is just nuts. I don't think we can go anymore. I like burnt toast, but you know, we're going to end up absolutely, this is going to be charcoal. There you go, there's my Plumbers sandwich. Oh, this tray's a bit warm. There you go, look, we got a bit of a melt on there. Now, as a foodie, that's quite exciting actually. Everybody else will probably think it's stupid. Let's grab a plate. Oh, absolutely. What a cracking idea. Quite crusty as well. Well, that's a bit warm. Set that off there. What we got underneath? I bet it's burnt to a crisp underneath because of the heat that we've been blasting under. Oh, damn. Damn, damn, damn. Oh, it's not that bad. It's a bit blackened, but it's alright. Okay. I think that is absolute madness, but the only way we're going to find out if it's all melted inside, crispy top, slightly charred, no worries. I like burnt toast. In fact, I love burnt toast. The $100 million cheese pull. Oh, look at that. Oh, you are joking me. Now, I can honestly say that's the most barking sandwich we've ever made. Now, HP or sriracha? Choice is yours. Mind you, you're not going to make it anyway. So we're going to go sriracha. Of course we are. And we're going to go HP. Of course we are. Oh my word. Look at that thing. Talk about a work of art. Oh, in here. Oh, in here. Oh, it's still steaming inside. Oh, look at that. Oh, you're kidding me. Slightly charred underneath. That is absolutely barking. I love it. I absolutely love it. There you go, a plumber sandwich. Oh, it's still melting. Oh my word. It's dripping out, look at that. Well, it must have warmed up enough inside. That is amazing. Oh, come on. That is completely nuts. Excuse me. What's happened is, it's actually, okay, it's a little bit crusty on the outside. It's toasted up. A little bit more caramelization or burning than I would have hoped for. But the idea is you've got to cook it slow, and obviously you can't put the torch too close. These things cook at, or these things burn at about 1,300 degrees. So you have to come away from it. To build the heat up inside the toast. And you know, to be quite fair, you can see what's happening here. Look at this. That is a perfect melt. Okay, the outside's a bit burnt, but that is a perfect cheese melt inside. That is absolutely incredible. Because what's happened is all the cheese have warmed up, and obviously it's all melted inside without over melting too quick. It's absolutely fantastic. Oh, come on, let's cut through here and see the cheese pull again, because it's still warm inside, so it's still pulling. You ready? It's no fluke. Oh, looky here. Oh, you are kidding me. bit burnt underneath. Oh, who cares? There you go, Secret Squirrels challenge accepted, completed. As far as I'm concerned, it's a little bit blackened underneath because we were heating off the tray to build the heat up underneath to cause it to melt the cheese in the middle slowly. And obviously we cooked it all the way around. We've got perfect melted cheese. There you go, challenge accepted, challenge made. I think we've cracked that. He says a banging sandwich, that's banging enough for me. Hope you like what we're doing, share with your friends. Don't tell them to get a blowtorch and make a cheese sandwich at home. But if you do, there you go. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. We'll catch you in the next video. All challenges are not accepted. Oh yeah. Love it.